So number 4 says that 3 friends try out for sports teams at their school. Gladys tries out for lacrosse. She's got a 40% chance of success. So what you might want to do right away when you read a piece of information like this, okay, Gladys tries out for the team and has a 40% chance, right away go to the diagram and put the point 4 for S. S represents that she succeeded and made the team. Why are we doing that? So there should be a point 4 there. Okay, so that's point 4, and that goes with the green piece of information. Becky tries out for the synchronized swim team. Wow, look at this school. They have a synchronized swim team. She has a 30% chance of success. All right, so Becky, 30% chance of success. So that would be here, point 3, point 3. So this entire middle part of the tree represents Becky's chances. The reason that there are 2 pieces for her is because it goes along with whether Gladys made her team or not. The last one is Sarita, and she tries out for the tennis team and has a 25% chance of success. So that 25% would go here for Sarita, and here, here, and here. All right? Now, what we need to think about is the complement of each of those numbers. So if there's a 40% chance that Gladys makes the team, what percent does she have of failure? 0.6, or 60%. For Becky, 0.7, so that's going to go there and there. And for Sarita, 0.75. Now, these are the probabilities for these independent events. Sarita making her team is independent of whether or not Becky made her team. Meaning that her chances, Sarita's chances of making the team, are not affected by whether or not Becky made the team. So we have everything in the tree diagram filled in, and now it's time to focus on the questions that they have. What is the probability that all 3 girls will make their teams? So that's going to be the 3 red numbers, and let's go ahead with the pen here and highlight this path. So that is the path to success, where all 3 girls are happy because they all made the team. So to find the probability that all 3 will make the team, you would multiply 0.4 times 0.3 times 0.25. And what do we get there? 12 times 1/4 is 3%, so 0.03. All right, so there's a 3% chance that they'll all make the team and be happy. Now for part B, what is the probability that exactly one of the girls will be successful? Exactly one. So I'm going to highlight the paths that have exactly one girl being successful. So if Gladys was successful, it would be here. For the other 2 to not be successful, I would follow both blue paths, or both Fs. So that's one of the paths that we need to worry about. And how would I find the probability of that path? What 3 numbers would I multiply? 0.4, 0.7, 0.75. So that's one answer that I'm going to need. Let's have someone work on that now. Go ahead and multiply those for us. The next one, we need to take a look at, well, maybe she didn't make the team, Gladys, but Becky did, and Sarita did not. So that's another exactly one girl made the team. So for that path, what 3 numbers would we multiply? 0.6, 0.3, and 0.75. So let's have someone else find that answer. We're going to put that on hold. There's one more path that's going to be one girl making the team, and that would be Gladys is a failure, and Becky is a failure, but Sarita made her team. So how would I find that path? What 3 numbers would we multiply? 0.6 times 0.7 times 0.25. Now, let's get that answer as well. So who got the blue answer for me? 0.21. Yellow? 0.135. Anybody have the green? Katie? 5. So one girl being successful in making the sports team would be either this, or that. And we learned yesterday that or means to do what operation? Add. So we add these three probabilities together. And we're going to get 10, carry the 1, 4, 2 plus 1 plus 1, 0.45. Sorry, carry the 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So there's a 45% chance that exactly one of the girls will make the team, make their respective team.